The Mirage Vision Outdoor TV in action. Please do not try this with your normal indoor TV. Although our Mirage Vision TVs are made to be permanently left outdoors and they are custom made to withstand most weather conditions, including rain, they should not be played and/or left on during rainstorms. But this video will show you the diversity of our unique custom weatherproofing on our name brand donor TVs that we turn into the Mirage Vision Outdoor TV. Pay close attention to our rain guard material that protects the TV's back inputs.